is that single shot 12 gauge that I got. It's G-Force Arms. About to give it a go. Oh, it kicks like a mule. That motherfucker kicks like a mule.